Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words see and see. They are homophones, meaning that they sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. Let's look at each one individually. Sea, noun, a large body of salt water that covers most of the Earth's surface and is smaller than an ocean. You can also refer to a specific sea, such as the Mediterranean Sea or the Red Sea. For example, the Mediterranean Sea is known for its beautiful coastlines. The sea was calm today, perfect for sailing. The sea of people at the concert was overwhelming. See, a verb, to perceive with the eyes, to observe or understand something. For example, I can see the mountains from my window. Do you see what I mean? I hope to see you at the party tomorrow. To summarize, see, a noun that refers to a large body of salt water. See, a verb that means to perceive with the eyes or to understand something. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.